$10,000 at 17 years old by doing nothing every single month. This is more than what most people make every single month, and I get this by doing essentially nothing. All real money. What is up, guys? Standing here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. Today I'm gonna be telling you guys how I make $10,000 a month on Autopilot. So I get all of this money every single month by doing essentially nothing. So in this video, I'm gonna be going here on my computer, showing you guys how I do it and telling you what I've done to achieve this monthly passive income. And before we start this video, I'm gonna put the $100 winner up right here on, I believe it was 2 videos ago on the Grant Cardone video. I said that I wanted to give away $100 on some videos just here and there, and I said to drop a like on the video and drop a comment on why you want that $100, what you would do with it. And I picked this comment to be the winner. So please either comment your PayPal and I'll send you the money, or you can email me at plainstanner@gmail.com, your PayPal email, and I'll get that money to you. So now let's get here on my computer and show you guys what I got going on. Alright guys, so now we're on my computer here. I got the Google Doc going where I'm going to be talking about what I'm doing, and as you probably expected, as you can see right here, $10,000 a month on Autopilot is with affiliate marketing. I've talked about this in a few videos. I told you guys how you can start your own affiliate marketing business and how you can start making passive income and how it all works. But on this video, I want to talk about sort of how I do it, what companies I work with, and how much money I'm making off of them. So here I have affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting a company's product or products. You find a product you like or one you don't like, and you promote it to others to get a piece of profit of that certain sale that you make. So there's a ton of huge companies that offer affiliate marketing. Like Amazon is probably one of the biggest. But as you can see here, I said who offers affiliate marketing: ClickBank, Amazon, eBay, Google, etc. So those are all very, very big companies that offer different affiliate marketing offers. So there's so many big companies that offer affiliate marketing. But the thing with Amazon is, you know, you're selling these certain products and you're getting this very low commission rate. So in order to start making a lot of money with it, you have to sell a ton of units. And I believe there's a bracket of the more sales you make, the higher up your commission rate goes up. So what I'm saying here is that affiliate marketing, there's tons of big companies do it and there's tons of small companies that do it. I tend to work with the smaller companies just because most of the time they offer a better commission-based rate, just because of, you know, they're a smaller company, they want to expand, bring in new members and new possible affiliates. So that is why I work with those companies, and of course ones that are credible and have, you know, paid people before, not brand new companies unless it's a friend's company, just because, you know, I'm not gonna put a bunch of time and effort into trying to get sales with something that they won't even pay me for. And another thing about it is I don't sell stuff on Amazon or eBay or whatever with affiliate marketing, just because, you know, the type of niche that I'm in for my personal brand, you know, I only want to promote business related stuff and things that are actually high margins and things that I personally use and things that I believe would benefit my audience. For people that are interested in dropshipping, people that are interested in marketing and social media and all that kind of stuff. So I haven't really promoted too much to you guys here with affiliate marketing kind of things, but when I scroll down here, I'm gonna show you guys what makes me $10,000 a month. So the first one I have here, of course, Shopify, because I use Shopify for my stores. I talk about Shopify all the time, dropshipping, you know, it all relates, because for my dropshipping stores, for your dropshipping stores most likely, you use Shopify as the host just because of how good their analytics are, how good, basically you can manage everything without having to worry too much about logistics. You know, Shopify is very good about that. So if you look on any of my YouTube videos, in the descriptions you'll see the top link is, you know, here's your free 14-day trial, you know, click this link, sign up, and you have your trial. So I'm offering that, but you know, Shopify offers that without an affiliate thing. So you could sign up without my link, or you could sign up with my link. The reason I put my link in the description is because if you watch my video, you're interested in dropshipping, you want to get involved and you want to sign up, you know, why not sign up on my link? Because the way it works is you don't get paid for someone signing up on the trial. You get paid when someone else pays Shopify. So let's say I sign up with Shopify on my link, and then I go through the 14 days, and then I sign up and I actually pay the $30. So then what Shopify does is they pay me a 200% bounty bonus. So they give me $60. You pay $30, I get $60. And now you're like, oh, that doesn't even make sense. They're losing money. Why would they pay you that? The reason is because with Shopify affiliates, they only pay you one time based off of that certain rate. So if I pay $30 for that month, then Shopify pays me $60. But if that person continues to pay every single month for 10 years, I'm not getting any other commission. I'm solely just getting it off of the first month. So if you sign up for the most expensive Shopify plan, let's just say it's $300, and then I would get $600 off of that affiliate commission just because you paid $300 for the first month. I'm getting $600, and then if you continue to pay that every single month, $300, $300, $300, I'm not getting any money of that. So Shopify, that's how they work with it, and you know, I make a decent amount of money with that. It's pretty solid for essentially doing nothing because I've just put it in the link of my YouTube videos. I've never really promoted because there's no need for me really to promote it, you know. It just sort of happens. I'm not gonna force you to sign up for Shopify. I want people to actually sign up that are interested in dropshipping and actually want to, you know, take action and start making money online. So I give that ability using my affiliate link in the top of the description if you want to do that right now. And the second one, if you watch some of my videos before, you've seen I promote Dropship Spy sometimes. And Dropship Spy is essentially just a company that offers a little bit of help with dropshipping, with finding products, finding niches, Facebook audience targeting, and stuff like that. And it's only 20 bucks a month, and you know, I don't use it for all my products and all my stores, for my targeting and marketing and stuff. For 20 bucks a month, it really helps, especially for beginners. You're going in there, you're able to see, you know, what ads look like for dropshipping stores, what the ad set looks like, how much these products cost, what type of products are selling the most, and all that kind of thing. So I don't really put that in any of my YouTube descriptions. I sort of just promoted it. I'll put it in the description of this video if you want to sign up, but they have a decent commission rate. It's 35% for tier 1. It's a 2-tier affiliate marketing system, so basically what that means is, let's say someone signs up under my link and then they become an affiliate. So if that person gets someone else to sign up and they originally signed up on my link, then I'm gonna get 5% of that tier 2 sale. You know, 5% isn't much off of $20, but you know, it's still money for basically doing nothing. So with the affiliate marketing with Dropship Spy, it just essentially continues and continues to grow. And it's something that I actually use and I advocate for, so I'm gonna promote it because, you know, I like it. I actually use it. I think it'll be really helpful for people that are new to dropshipping and new to marketing. And the third ones you're gonna see here, you've probably never seen me promote or never heard the names of them. I'm not even gonna talk about them. But some of them I don't even use anymore. I just solely pay for the affiliate thing just so I continue to get paid. Because over the past couple years, I've been using these companies, these Instagram growth companies. You know, they basically automate stuff with DMing people, liking and commenting and stuff. And I've used those, whether it's 20 bucks a month, 100 bucks a month. You know, I've tried all these different companies, and most of them have an affiliate system. So basically, you know, I'm promoting to my friends or social media audience, you know, here's this program, I use it, it's 50 bucks a month. If you want to sign up, let me know. I'll get you signed up with this link. And then I send them my link, they sign up, and then let's say I get 50% commission. So they pay 20 bucks a month, I get 10 bucks a month every single month that they pay. So I continue to do that and grew them a ton. I just spent a ton of my time on that when I didn't have any dropshipping businesses or wasn't making YouTube videos or anything like that. I just sort of started doing that, and it really built up a lot. And even Hayden did the same thing. I'm not gonna say the company he used the most, but the company is not that good anymore. But he doesn't promote it, but he could still have the ability to get paid off of his commissions because, you know, he made these connections with these people. He called them on the phone. He sold them on the opportunity and got them to sign up. You know, essentially affiliate marketing with these kind of things that I sell, it's all about actually selling it. You know, the way you present yourself and the way you actually talk about it is how you're going to get the sale. With the Amazon and eBay stuff, you know, selling these different products, it's gonna be a whole completely different ballgame of actually selling these. You're not gonna call someone on the phone for 10 minutes to try and sell them a bottle of laundry detergent. You know, you're gonna have to do something else. I don't know how exactly you would do that, selling a bunch of units. But let's scroll down here. How do you get paid from them every month? You know, like I just said, I work with companies that offer a passive income payment. For every month that person that signs up under your link pays, you get paid the commission. Bring multiple people on board and you will continue to get paid every single month. And for the niche I'm in, you know, the companies I usually work with are monthly subscription based. Like I said, I only want to use things that I like using and things that I actually do use instead of promoting something that isn't going to be good for my audience or something that wouldn't really benefit me or doesn't really relate to my niche and what I'm doing here. So that is essentially what I do to make $10,000 a month on Autopilot. It's not exactly $10,000. You know, it fluctuates every single month depending on how many people click my link, how many people sign up, all that kind of stuff. But it usually hovers around $10,000. So that is how I do it. $10,000 a month. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.